My name is Mark. I'm a planner for Shepherd Construction. Shepherd are a large contractor. They work on projects anywhere from 5 million to 250 million in value. The parts I enjoy about my role are being a key member of the project team. I also enjoy the challenge of planning and having to think ahead and always be one step ahead of the game. Also, when we finished, you feel like you've left a piece of your legacy behind that's going to be there for everyone who goes to that building to see for years to come. And when you see the building being constructed on site, it gives you a real sense of achievement. All the hard work you put in has gone into making that happen. My primary role as a construction planner is to produce, monitor and update programs. Programs are basically a big to-do list of what needs to be done to build a building. My other roles are also facilitating planning meetings, such as weekly coordination or 6-week collaborative planning meetings. And that is where we sit down with the construction team. We fine-tune the program to decide when things are going to be built. Also, I sometimes need to make off-site visits to manufacturers just to ensure that the parts of the building that they are manufacturing are going to be on site on time so that we don't suffer a delay. One thing I probably don't enjoy about my job is when I need to commute long distances regularly. For example, when you need to commute somewhere that takes an hour each way, it adds an extra 2 hours onto your working day. However, we do get company car allowance, so you don't put all of those miles onto your own car. And also it's the price you pay to work on some fantastic high-profile projects. The two key skills I've developed the most since I started working with Shepherd are my time management skills, which came naturally with the planning role, organising so many things on site, but most importantly is communication. As I said, we planners, we could have the best plan in the world, but if we can't communicate that plan to the construction team, then it's not worth the paper it's written on. I've been fortunate enough to work on some technically demanding, high-profile and award-winning projects. My favourite project to date has to be the National Renewable Energy Centre in Blyth in Northumberland. That particular project won a number of awards, including the Construction News Judges Supreme Award, which is regarded as one of the most prestigious awards in the industry for a project. The project I'm currently working on is a £31.5 million contract to deliver a new train factory for Hitachi Rail Europe. In the next 10 years, I see myself progressing to the level of a senior planner, and I'd also like to continue working on these large projects. I particularly like to deliver some projects in my local area, especially my hometown, as there hasn't been a lot happening in my hometown in the last few years. The best bit of advice I can give to people thinking of working in construction is to get as much work experience as they can while they're in education, whether that be craft, technical or professional roles, as when they finish their education it will really complement what they've learned academically.